好啦，Sonnet Number Three 呢首詩咧都係好有趣，又係關於農作物嘅一啲 imagery。Look in thy glass and tell the face thou view'st. Now is the time that they shall form another, whose fresh repair if thou found not renew'st, thou doth beguile the world, unblessed mother。佢就叫留意呢個 imperative 好似 somehow 係有種 authority 喺度，好似 Shakespeare 喺度叫緊 out of Southampton，快啲望下塊鏡，欣賞下你自己，然後諗下，如果你冇一個後代承接你呢種標誌，個世界有幾咁慘，然後你自己又係幾咁慘，因為後世望唔到你嘅美貌，望入你塊鏡度，然之後話俾你見到嗰塊面聽，依家就係時候要去整另外一塊好似咁嘅面頰啦。Which is 就係其實生 BB 啦，OK。Whose fresh repair if now thou not renew'st，呢個嘅美貌咧 fresh repair 係 youth 咁嘅年輕。如果依家你唔去整一個新嘅嘢出嚟，咁就冇機會啦。如果依家你唔整出嚟嘅話咧，咁你就係 beguile the world，你就係玩弄緊個世界。如果你依家唔去生 BB 嘅話咧，咁你就係呃緊個世界。你 unbless some mother，令到一啲媽咪唔開心嘅。咁 refer 緊嘅就係 Burgley 嗰個 granddaughter。For where is she so fair whose uneared wound disdains the tutelage of thy husbandry？佢就喺度講 Shakespeare 喺度講 Southampton，世界上其實冇乜一個女仔佢嘅 uneared wound，佢 untilted womb 呢個好有趣，又係用翻耕田嘅意象。佢嘅 wound，佢嘅子宮咧係未被耕作過 ，which is 就係受精啦。喺呢度佢想講嘅就係咁，世界上有邊個未懷孕嘅女仔會係 disdain Southampton 你咧？係咪 Southampton 嘅 tutelage of thy husbandry，基本上冇人會去到討厭你喺佢嘅子宮入邊耕作 ，which is 就係 having sex，然後去到 spread 佢嘅 seeds，OK，就係 semen。然後 by the way，husbandry 啦，咁係個 pun 嚟嘅呢個 husband，OK，就係講緊 Shakespeare 佢要勸 Southampton 變成一個 husband。咁呢度會有一個笑位啦，可能 Southampton 睇到嘅時候，同埋 husbandry。佢其實喺 Elizabethan England、Elizabethan English in particular，husbandry 係講一個 house management，OK，係關於 keeping things in order。咁呢個 husbandry 佢 somehow imply 緊嘅嘢就係 fair youth out of Southampton，佢自己喺度 manage 緊佢嘅種子 ，in a way 種子 quote 嘅種子就係 semen，因為佢唔想同 Burgley 個孫女結婚嘛。Or who is so fond will be the tomb of his self-love to stop posterity。OK，佢話又或者啦，會唔會其實係 Southampton 你啦？留意佢用 he 啦，但係佢唔係用 you 啦，用 thou 啦，佢係 indirect 少少咁樣去到話 Southampton。佢話 Southampton 你自己就會變成自己嘅墳墓 ，OK，去到 stop posterity，去到防止你嘅後代嚟到呢個世界。posterity 係後代。Thou art thy mother's glance, and she in thee calls back the lovely April of her prime。你咧係媽咪嘅嗰塊鏡，因為喺你身上，我可以見到你媽咪當時嗰種嘅青春年華歲月。OK，咁用4月去到比喻 the flower of youth。OK，but the flower of youth 係 King James Bible 入邊一個 phrase 好中意用，因為佢係講 prime 咁樣。Anyway，the lovely April of prime。So thou through windows of thy age shall see, despite of wrinkles This thy golden time。Shakespeare 咧之後就講，如果 Southampton 你有個仔嘅話咧，你其實都會見到你自己嘅蹤影咯，好似你媽咪喺你身上面見到佢自己蹤影咁，見到佢嘅 lovely April of her prime。So thou through windows of thy age shall see。OK，windows of thy age 咧 possibly 係講佢隻眼咧，應該係佢老咗之後佢對眼咧。Despite wrinkles, this thy golden time 就係講依家雖然老咗，但係你嘅 golden prime，因為你喺你仔身上會見到你自己嘅 April of your prime。If thou lived, remember not to be die single, and thy image dies with thee。如果你想呢條命咧就冇人記得嘅，咁你就單身孤獨終老，咁咧你嘅美貌都會隨住你嘅死亡而去到消逝啦。呢一個就係 Sonnet Number 3。